Hey everyone, welcome back to a video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the Wi-Fi icon is grayed out on your iPhone. But if you're going through this kind of issue, then this is what we have to do. So the first step is all about you have to turn on the airplane mode. To do so, you have to go over here at the top and scroll it down like this. And from here, you can see there is a plain kind of an icon. You have to turn on this. Now all you have to do is just wait for, like I say, 20 to 25 seconds, and you have to turn it off, and you have to check with the Wi-Fi whether you are getting the connection or not. If not, that is one of the reasons why this is happening. You have to go to the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down all the way down and tap on the screen time, and from here scroll it down and tap on content and privacy restriction. If it is turn it off, you have to turn it off like this. Make sure that you have to turn it off. Then you have to check. Sometimes this even help as well. Now after trying with this, if there is an issue, then you can try the third step, which is definitely going to help. So what you need to do is you have to go to the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down and go to the general, and from here you have to scroll it down all the way down and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone and go to the reset. So first you can go for reset network settings. So what happens is it won't delete any of your data. Instead, you'll be losing things like the saved passwords on the Wi-Fi and all kind of things, which means you have to connect back to the Wi-Fi once again. So you have to go to the reset network settings and you have to check. If reset network settings is not working, try going for the reset old settings. Keep in mind, it won't delete any of your data. All the customizations and the settings and all kind of things will be completely gone. And you have to go back and you have to check. And these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.